Welcome to our series on statistics and probability. Today, we are diving into the most basic type of data classification, nominal data. Understanding this concept is the first step in mastering data analysis. So, what exactly is nominal data? The term comes from the Latin word nomen, which simply means name. Nominal data is used to label variables without any quantitative value. It's all about naming categories and identifying groups. The most important thing to remember is that nominal data has no intrinsic order or rank. For example, red is not greater than blue, and blue is not greater than green. They are just different. This is different from ordinal data, like low, medium, and high, which does have a clear rank. Let's look at some common examples. Eye color is nominal. You have blue, brown, or green. Country of birth is another one. Dog breeds like Beagle, Pug, or Husky are also categories. And of course, pizza toppings. None of these have a mathematical order. Here is a tricky part. Sometimes nominal data looks like numbers. Think about jersey numbers on athletes. Player number 23 isn't more than player number 10. You wouldn't add their jersey numbers together. Zip codes and phone numbers work the same way. They are numerical labels, not measurements. Because nominal data is just categories, your math options are limited. You can check if two things are equal or not equal. You can group them and count how many are in each group, but you cannot rank them, add them, subtract them, or calculate an average like the mean. If we can't calculate a mean, how do we find the average? We use the mode. The mode is simply the most frequently occurring category. In this set of colored circles, blue appears most often, so blue is the mode. When it comes to visualizing nominal data, bar charts are your best friend. They clearly show the frequency counts for each category. For example, we can easily see which pet is the most popular by looking at the tallest bar. Another great tool is the pie chart. This is perfect for showing proportions or percentages of a whole. Here, we can see how different car types break down in a dataset, with sedans making up the largest slice at 40%. To wrap up, remember these 4 points. Nominal data consists of names and labels. It has no order or rank. You use the mode to describe the center. And finally, you visualize it using bar charts or pie charts. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.